Hey other guys, my name is Kumar. You are watching me. Let's start today's stream video without having any further delay. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what actually happened in my today's routine. So basically, this video is about to be the routine of 15 July 2024 of the day 222. That means this video is about the routine of triple two, 222, 222. Okay, and the previous video, that means around 100 days before, that video is about the routine of triple one, that is 111. Okay, 111. And the next from there to, yeah, like 100 days after, this is triple two, 222. And the next after 100 days, that video will be gonna the routine of triple three, that is 333 day, 333 days. So basically, by the way, this video is about the routine of 15 July 2024 of the day 222. Okay, so in this video I'm going to tell you what has actually happened today. So let's start today's video without any further delay. So basically, the thing is that last night I didn't went for the sleep, not even a single second. Basically, this is the thing which was happened. So around between 5 or 5:30, I went for the sleep, but I didn't get sleep. I used my phone, and after that I got sleep after 1 hour. Okay, and now the question now the question will arise in your mind, that is what I was doing till the whole night. Basically, guys, this is nothing. I was just studying on the time. Okay, so basically after sleeping to be there, I got sleep. I was sleeping on the time, and I woke up at around 3 or 3:30 p.m. Basically, this is pretty very bad. Okay, I woke up, and after that I brought my cloth, and after that I washed my mouth, and after that I had taken the bath. So basically, this is a thing which was happened today, guys. I hope you'll understand till here. So after that, what I had done, yeah, after that. I think that maybe my mother brought food for me. Yeah, of course, my mother brought food for me. Yeah, there is no question. So after that, I ate. So basically, guys, this is a thing which was actually happened. And after that, I didn't do too much thing. I just ate food. Basically, this is a thing which was happened. I what I am speaking. Yeah, after that, after eating the food, I studied to the first floor. And at time of evening, yeah, my one of the sister came and told that you both, my another sister and me, told me that you should take break, so go and purchase murmura from Budela. So me and my sister went there, and we have purchased murmura. After going to the too many shops, because too many shops don't have murmura, and one of the shops don't have the good murmura. Okay, so basically after that I got a perfect murmura. After that we came, and after that I went for purchasing the oil. So after that I purchased, and after that I came home, and basically this is the thing which was happened. And after that I was about to going to the first floor, but my mother and my sister told me that first you ate food, and after that you should go. So basically this is the thing which was happened. After that I ate murmura with, in Bihari town there is a khumni, and we can also say it is very rounded shape, and circular shape. I don't know the exact name of this. I think we call that ghumni we say, but the exact name is like sarso, not sarso. I don't know the exact name. Okay, so basically this is the thing which was actually happened. And after that I went to the first floor. Okay, so after that I studied, and after that I didn't do too much thing. Around 3 a.m. I went for the sleep, but I didn't get sleep. I used my phone, and after some time I got sleep. So basically, guys, this is the thing which was actually happened. I hope you really understand till yet. If you really understand till yet, then can you please like it, because if you like my videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a continuously manner. So let's start without having any further delay. Today's 5 or 10 words learning. Okay. So yeah. So our first word is tie. Tie means, guys, bandhna. You should tie. These all the things. Okay. Saint means, guys, sadhu. I remember one of the saint who is very famous for about his scriptures. Now, one word is aroused. What is scripture? So I should write, and I will translate very soon. I think that the scripture basically kind of book of religious books, but let me write to get exact meaning. I don't know exactly about it. Maybe that is religious books, but related to religious. I think that. So let me write it. Scriptures. So yeah. So I wrote it. So yeah, our next word is tail. Tail means guys pooch. There is not added cocktail. So guys, basically guys, I'm always I saw in too many boxes of the some like Oreos. It is a basically snack type food. I saw that maybe there is wrote it that included cocktail or not included cocktail. I don't exactly know about that. So let's take an example. Takes another example. Okay. So basically, uh, cats also have the tail. Okay. Dogs also have the tail. Okay. Wait, is dog have tail? No, dogs don't have tail. By the way, yeah, I'm right. And why am I speaking that dogs also have the tail? That's very bad thing. This is a common thing which I know. It's literally rude. So yeah. So yeah. So yeah. So our I think fourth word. First one, two, three, four. Fourth word is always. Always means guys hamesha. You should always try your best. I know that you will succeed one day. Okay. Our fifth word is beer. Beer means guys bhalu. I used to use so basically I saw the bear in the forest. That's fantastic. Our sixth word is deer. Deer means guys hidden. Hidden's sorry guys. Deer's horns were very beautiful. Now I don't know what we call horns in English. Okay, but I think that the horns we can say that the heron's upper part, which seems like the word. So let me write it. But I don't know exactly about that. So don't take it seriously. Okay. So yeah. Our seventh word is copycats. Nakalchi. You are a very copycat nature person. That's why I don't like you. Our eighth word is ritus, 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 ritus. Sanskar. You don't have any ritus. I should check this word. Basically, this word seems like something a different word. I should check this. Okay. Decorate, sajana. You should decorate everything so that everybody seems like that get a smile after looking all the things. Okay. So 2, 3, 1, 2 in back page and in front page 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Our last word is carefully. Take this box carefully. Okay. So basically this is a thing which was happened today. Ek do. Sorry, why I'm using Hindi word ek do. I should speak in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. So yeah guys, I think it is enough for today that I have spoke to you, and yeah, I think it's enough for today. And I've already learned the 10 vocabulary today. So yeah guys, I think that it is enough for today. But you know that my average video is period and minimum 10 minutes, so I should speak or more. Okay. So yeah. Basically, what is the uses of highlighter? Basically, I have two highlighters, as you can see here. One highlighter is also in my home, which is also in my sister, but I am unable to find where is that actually. So basically, this is a two highlighter, and according to my experience, if you wanted to highlight something, then it will really very beneficial for you. If you wanted to saw some most important topic and you highlight them, then your eyes will got stuck on that part. Okay, so I recommend you, if you are a student, or you, or any kind of student, or you are learning something and you are writing something notes, and if you feel that it is good, and then you can purchase. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so basically this is the thing which is I wanted to tell you guys. So I think it is enough for today. So guys, let's end the video guys. See you, Radhe. Bye bye.